Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another tutorial video on the next episode of support and resistance. So today we're going to talk about some other things, and so in the first few videos we already covered a few types of support and resistance and how you can use it as a major and a minor key level. So today we're going to talk about a couple of indicators called the EMAs and the BB lines, the Bollinger Bands. So before that, let me do the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So currently on the Friday live market, and we're going to talk about BB lines and EMAs as support and resistance. So first, let me explain to you. So normally we use the 20, 50, 100 and 200 EMA in the following color. So this is the settings that you can actually see. I'm going to show you the settings. So it's 200 EMA, purple, 100 EMA, red, 50 EMA, orange, and 20 EMA, yellow. So actually, what is EMAs? So EMAs are actually dynamic support and resistance level, and it actually shows you the market direction or the trend. And you can see currently all the EMAs are pointing downwards with a decent distance, the 200 above the 100, above the 50, above the 20. So it shows you that the market is actually currently in downtrend. But you can see the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA has been crossed, which shows that the market is trying to reverse the trend into an uptrend. So important when you use EMAs, it can also be used as a support and resistance, but like what I told you, indicators is only to be used as a tool to show you market direction or price action. It should never be used as a signal to trade. And this candle breaks the 100 EMA easily. You didn't see any price action respect on the 100 EMA, which shows you that there is a high probability that the trend will continue. And this is what I mean by using support and resistance with favoring the market direction. So you can see we actually have a round number here. Let me try to get the level. Okay, so it's 1.785 thousand. Okay, we got the level, and this is a very strong round number, so I'm going to use purple. And we have the 100 EMA, and we have a very strong round number which actually broke. I told you need strong buying pressure candle to break a strong SNR. This is a strong level. It broke, and then it came back down, retest, and when it came back down, you have a rejection here, which shows you that this candle will be a green one. So using this as a support instead of a resistance, because this candle broke the level easily. So now we are coming back to the 100 EMA. retesting the round level, and you can see in this particular level, the round level and the 100 EMA are very close to each other. So which shows you that this level is strong, and you can see this candle respected this. Currently the market direction is up, so we just need to see how the market behaves, and we can use this as a support at the moment. So currently this live candle, you don't see much movement. So this is a bit of how EMAs can be used as a support or resistance. Okay, let me show you the market. You see the market tried to go up, 20 EMA was respected, broke, strong pressure candle broke, retest candle, retest the 20 EMA, went up, 50 EMA acted as a resistance, market came back down, retest again on the 20 EMA, market came back up, broke the 50 EMA, signal that it's a fake breakout, market comes back down with a very strong red Maribozu candle that broke the 50 and the 20, and you can see retest, 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 shows you the market goes down, goes near the 20 EMA, comes down, breaks, goes up again. Let me zoom in for you so you can see how this was used actually as a support and resistance. Close to 50 EMA, 50 EMA shows respect, respected, respected, came down. And you can see there was another round level here, another strong round level here, 6,000, 1.78, 6,000. Let me see if I can get the level. Okay, just off by a little bit. Okay, and you can see the EMAs actually gives you a additional backup of SNR strength. So let's look at the current market. You see couldn't break the 100 EMA and the round level. This candle broke. This candle is now retesting the level, and you can see this candle should respect this level, and market should be coming back down. So these are actually, you can use them actually as support and resistance, and also as danger levels where you know that where market can actually go against the direction, or actually trigger from here as a support to trigger buyers, and as a resistance to trigger sellers. So I hope you understand a bit about how to use EMAs as a support and resistance level. So it's just an additional tool to help you to confirm strong SNR levels, and remember, it shouldn't be used blindly. Just because a candle approaches the level doesn't mean you just blindly do a put here. That is where I spoke in the last video. You need to see signs of rejection or pullback, and do not go against a strong pressure candle. So the same with EMAs. Let me show you the EMAs. So this is the outer EMA, period 20, deviation 2, and you can use green followed by white in the middle. And for the 1 deviation, 20, deviation 1, period, we use 20, and we use all white. So you can see how market behaves around those levels. So you can see 100 EMA, strong round level, and you have the BB 1 deviation upper line that actually shows you So you have 3 SNRs, 3 support on this level. So when you see this rejection and you know market direction is currently upwards, you can be pretty much sure that this candle, it is impossible to break this level. And you can see how this level was respected, broke, came down, weak level exactly on the BB1. I'm going to use this level now. Oops, didn't go in. What's wrong with this thing? It's too late. So you can see the rejection came. The trade didn't go in, but it is almost a sure shot because this candle already showed you market is respecting and you are following the market direction, which is currently upwards. And you can see from this market, when this level is going straight, it started to go upwards. And you can see respect, respect, respect. And you can know that this candle will also respect this level. And you can see the BB1 was respected. So now, since the candle has crossed the BB1, you cannot blindly use this now as a resistance. You need to see respect. So this candle is actually something like a retest candle of this BB1 level. And you can see buyers are triggered very strong. So normally when you have an uptrend, a strong uptrend, the market will be inside the BB 2 deviation and 1 deviation going upwards. So I'm not going to go too much into other details. I'm just talking about support and resistance. We're still on support and resistance. So I hope this helps you understand a bit better of how we can also use EMAs and BB levels as support and resistance level. And remember, the most important thing is current price action respect. Current price action. So we are learning price action. So to understand price action, all this is necessary for you to understand. So I'm going to end the video here. So if you like the video, do a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I hope this understands how you can actually implement EMAs and BB levels to help you further understand price action. So this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.